Hello students, welcome back in the mathematics class of 7-Star Convent School. Today we will solve the rest of the question from the homework which was given to you a day before yesterday. Just take a look. Our next question is reduce the following fraction to simplest form. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. In this series, our first question was A, that is 48 upon 60. We have to reduce this fraction to the simplest form. First, we just try to check from which number this fraction will be divided. We can divide it by 2, it becomes 24 and it becomes 30. Now we write it separately. Then we again divide it by 2, 12 upon 15. Now we can divide this fraction by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. It becomes 4 by 5. It is our answer. Our next question is B part, 150 by 60. In this case, first we divide by 10 and it becomes 15 upon 6. Now divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. It becomes 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is our answer. Now we have the third question, 84 upon 98. In this case, we divide by 2, 42, 49. 42 by 49, now divide by 7, 7 6 ja, 7 7 ja. 6 by 7 is our answer. Students, our next question is 12 by 52. Our next question is 12 by 52. D part, 12 by 52. Divide by 2, it becomes 6 and it becomes 26. Again divide by 2, it becomes 3, it becomes 13. 3 by 13 is our answer. Next question is E part, 7 by 28. Divide by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja. 1 by 4 is our answer. Students, our next question is from comparing of fractions. Let's see. Now students, we have to compare the fractions. Fill the appropriate sign. Which sign? Smaller than, equals to, or greater than. We have to fill these signs in the fractions given here. The first part is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Now we need to first compare the denominators. We have to make the denominators equal, then we will compare this fraction. First we need to make the denominator equal. For making the denominator equal, we have to multiply 1 by 2 by 5. It becomes 1 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 5, and this fraction multiplied by 2. Now it becomes 5 by 10 and it becomes 1 by 10. Now we can say 5 by 10 is greater than 1 by 10. We can write it in original form like 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. It is our answer. The next question is 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Here again denominators are different, that's why we need to first make the denominator same. Four into 3. For making the denominator same, we need to multiply by 3 in this fraction and multiply by 2 in this fraction. Now it becomes 3 2 is 6 upon 4 3 is 12, and it becomes 3 2 is 6 upon 6 2 is 12. Now we can say the both fractions are equal. Now write in original form, it becomes 2 by 4 equals to 3 by 6. This is our answer. Now students, our next question is C part. C part 3 by 5, 2 by 3. Again students, we need to first make the denominator same. 3 by 5 multiply by 3 and 2 by 3 multiply by 5. Then it becomes 3 into 3 9, 5 3 is 15, 2 into 5 10, 5 3 is 15. Now we can say 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15. Now write in the original form, 3 by 5 is smaller than 2 by 3. This is our answer. The next question is D part. 3 by 4, blank space, 2 by 8. Again we need to make the denominator same, that's why we need to multiply 3 into 2 by 4 into 2 and 2 by 8. Here no need to multiply because we are making the denominator same, and if we multiply 4 by 2 then it becomes 8, and which is in the next fraction 8 is the denominator. Okay, 3 2 is 6, 4 2 is 8, 2 by 8. Now we can say 6 by 8 is a greater than 2 by 8. Write in original form, 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 8. This is our answer. Next question is E part. 3 by 5, blank space, 6 by 5. Now students, in this case the denominators are same, then we can directly say 6 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. This is our answer. F part. 7 by 9 and 3 by 9. In this case also the denominators are same, that's why we directly say 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. Answer. When the denominators will same, then we need to just see the numerators and we will get the answer. G part 1 by 4 blank space 2 by 8. Now 1 by 4 is multiplied by 2, then it becomes 1 into 2 upon 4 into 2 blank space 2 by 8. It becomes 2 by 8 blank space 2 by 8. Now we can say these fractions are equal. Then write in original form 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 8. This is our answer. Our next question is students, our next question is H part, which is 6 by 10 blank space 4 by 5. In this case 6 by 10 blank space 4 into 2 upon 5 into 2. Now it becomes 6 by 10 8 by 10. Now we can say 8 by 10 is greater than 6 by 10. Then write in original form 6 by 10 is smaller than 4 by 5. Answer. Our next question is I 3 by 4 blank space 7 by 8. Now 3 into 2 by 4 into 2 7 by 8. Now it becomes 6 by 8 blank space 7 by 8. Now we can say 7 by 8 is greater than 6 by 8. That's why write in original form 3 by 4 is smaller than 7 by 8. Answer. Our next question is J part 6 by 10 blank space 3 by 5. Now again 6 by 10 6 by 10 3 into 2 by 5 into 2. It becomes 6 by 10 and it becomes 3 to the 6 by 10 equals to. Now write in original form 6 by 10 is equals to 3 by 5. This is our answer. Our next question is K part 5 by 7 blank space 15 by 21. Again, to make the denominator same, 5 into 3 by 7 into 3, it becomes 15 by 21. Here 5 3 are 15 upon 7 3 are 21, 15 by 21. Now we can say 15 by 21 is equal to 15 by 21. Write in our original form 5 by 7 equals to 15 by 21. Answer. Students, our next question is compare the fraction and put the appropriate sign. Students, our next question is compare the fractions and put the appropriate sign. The first option is 3 by 6 blank space 5 by 6. In this case, we see denominators are same. That's why we directly say 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6. This is our answer. The second case is B part 1 by 7 blank space 1 by 4. 1 by 7 should be multiplied by 4 and 1 by 4 should be multiplied by 7. To make the denominator same, it becomes 4 1 ja 4, 7 4 ja 28, and it becomes 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. Now we can say 7 by 28 is greater than 4 by 28. Write in the original form 1 by 7 is smaller than 1 by 4. This is our answer. Our next question is C part, which is 4 by 5 blank space 5 by 5. Here in this case the denominators are same, that's why we directly say 5 by 5 is a greater fraction. This is our answer. That means 4 by 5 is smaller than 5 by 5. Our next question is D part, which is 3 by 5 blank space 3 by 7. In this case, we need to make the denominator same. 3 into 7 by 5 into 7. 3 into 5 by 7 into 5. Now it becomes 7 3 ja 21 upon 7 5 ja 35. And it becomes 5 3 ja 15 upon 7 5 ja 35. Now we can say 21 upon 35 is greater fraction than 15 upon 35. Write in our original form 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Answer. Now our next question is find the answer of the following and write and indicate how to you solve them. Students, our next question is find the answer of the following, write and indicate how you solve them. Find the answers to the following. Find the answers to the following, write and indicate how you solve them. How you solve them. In this question, our first part is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5. Let's check. That means we need to check whether 5 by 9 is equal to or maybe smaller than or maybe bigger than 4 by 5. Now check. We can make the blank space here and then in the last when we get the answer then we will fill this with the appropriate sign. Okay, now check. 5 into 5 upon 9 into 5 blank space 4 into 9 upon 5 into 9. Now it becomes 5 5 is 25 upon 9 5 is 45. 4 9 ja 36, 5 9 ja 45. Now from here we can say 36 upon 45 is greater fraction. That's why from this we can say 5 by 9 is smaller than 4 by 5. That means our answer will be no, 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 5. Our next question is B part, which is 9 by 16 is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9. Let's check. Again we write 9 by 16 blank space 5 by 9. Now we need to make the denominator same. It becomes 9 into 9 upon 16 into 9, and it becomes 5 into 16 upon 9 into 16. Now it becomes 9 9 ja 81 upon 144. Now it becomes 16 5 ja 80 upon 144. Now we can say from here 81 upon 144 is greater than 80 upon 144. That's why we can say 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 9. And here answer will be no, 9 by 16 is not equal to 5 by 9. Students, our next question is 4 by 5 equal to 16 upon 20? Our next question is 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20. Now write 4 by 5 with blank space 16 upon 20. From here 4 by 5, we can also make this fraction in the simplest form. We can also divide this by 4. If we divide this by 4, it becomes 4 5 ja. Then it becomes 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now we can say these are equals. Write in original form 4 by 5 equals to 16 by 20. Answer will be yes. 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Our next question is D part is 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30. Here again we write 1 by 15 blank space 4 by 30. In this case also we can make this fraction in the simplest form. It becomes 1 by 15 blank space 4 by 30. It becomes 2 ja 4, 2 15 ja 30. It becomes 1 by 5 and 2 by 15. Now in this case we can say when the denominators are same, then 2 by 15 is greater. That's why we can say, write in original form, 1 by 15 is smaller than 4 by 30. Our answer will be no. 1 by 15 is not equal to 4 by 30. Students, this was the last question in our homework series. If you still have any confusion, you can tell us. Thank you.